everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison Paige, and let's just jump into this not so average how-to video. You just don't. Okay, so if you are still watching this video, you're probably sitting there wondering, what the fuck did I just watch? About a week ago, I asked on Twitter if you guys would like to see an in-depth video about my disabilities and what I can and can't do. This video was kind of like a prelude to that, showing things that are quite simple to almost everyone else being quite difficult for me. Each thing I showed is something that I can do, but I have to do it in a way that's different or weird to most people. Stuff like tying my shoes, shaving my legs, or getting things from low shelves or the floor are difficult for me because I cannot bend. Most things that are on the floor that I need, I pick up with my feet. I mean, I've been able to pick stuff up with my feet really well since I was a kid, but now it actually is useful. Stuff where it wouldn't be hygienic to pick up with my feet, I'd fully have to like get onto the ground. And stuff like getting out of my car is just because I have limited range of movement. I can't move my body in a way that means I can get out of a car gracefully and easily. But all of these things will be explained in my in-depth video, which will come eventually. If you've watched my explaining my scars video, you will know that talking about the medical side of my life is not something I've ever really been super comfortable with. I can do it, and once I start doing it, I don't mind doing it. It's always been a really soft spot for me, and I do get quite emotional. I want to make this video when I am in the right headspace and in the right, emotional setting. But for now, this is sort of like I've already used the word prelude, but I'm gonna use it again. This is just a prelude to that video. So if you found this video interesting, make sure you stick around for that one. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below something you think the rest of the world finds really easy that you find quite difficult. Also, comment something that you find easy to see if I find it difficult. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the bell notification thingy to be notified every time I post, and I will see you next time. Bye!